Vamos por
Coffee shop.
café.
Homework.
Tarea.
5.
5.
Morning.
Coffee often gives me a bad headache.
Café. El café me da. El café a menudo me da un fuerte dolor de cabeza. We had no clue. Nosotros tenemos pistas de que ¿por qué está tan molesto? Nadie esperaba que reaccionara de esa forma. Nobody. De que se enojaría tanto. Get so passive.
Does he take anything for his headaches?
Él toma alguna cosa para él. Toma algo para la cabeza.
I have a headache because my head is cold. Cold.
I dreamed that my wife and I got divorced.
I dreamt.
Dreamed. I dreamed that my wife and I got divorced.
And I got.
Got divorced.
Is your headache really bad? Bad.
Please don't use bad words, Mr. Smith.
Please don't use.
You bad words, Mr. Smith.
Do you want anything from the store?
Do you want anything from the store? Le escribo descripciones de mis sueños en la mañana.
I
Right.
write
Description
descriptions
of
my
my dreams in the morning.
If we get divorced, we'll both sleep much better.
If we get divorced, we'll both sleep much better. Por favor, no se preocupe, señor Turner.
Please.
Don't worry,
Worry.
Mrs. Turner.
Turner.
My hands are warm, but my feet are cold.
Cold. ¿Dónde está el café? Where is the coffee shop? Coffee shop.
Can you give me a description of your nightmare?
Description de tu pesadilla.
Where is the coffee shop?
Where is the... Oh. Can you give me a description of your nightmare?